everybody. Happy Monday. We just wanted to do a little math review with you this morning. I have attached in the email a blank foundation sheet. So this is great to practice all your letters, all your numbers. You can work on your name. You can do anything you want on here. So I thought I would model our numbers for you since last week we did all the letters. So I'm going to start with that. We're going to start the skyline, plane line, grass line, worm line. All of your numbers are going to start at the skyline. So we'll start with number 1. It is going to be a straight line down from the skyline all the way down to the grass line and stop. Number 1. Number 2, we're going to start at the skyline and do a curve across through the plane line all the way down to the other side of the grass line. And then you're going to do a straight line along the grass line. Number 2. Number 3, we're going to start at the skyline and do a little curve to the middle, bump into the plane line, and back down, bump to the bottom to the grass line. Number 3. Number 4, you're going to practice your letter L this week, and it's going to be an L. So you're going to start at the skyline, and you're going to stop at the plane line. Do your L across the plane line and stop, and then you're going to bring your pencil back up to the top to the skyline and do a straight line down to the grass line for number 4. Number 5, you're going to want to start out here, but that's not the right way. You're going to want to start right in here. So you're going to start with your short line down from the skyline to the plane line and stop. And then you're going to belly out, little curve down, 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 back to the grass line and stop. And then you're going to lift your pencil up and put a hat on him. So he's going to go across the skyline. And that's going to be your number 5. We'll go down here for number 6. We're going to start at the skyline and do one big curve down to the grass line, hit the grass line, and then come back up and into the plane line, number 6. Number 7, we're going to start on the skyline and do a straight line across the skyline and then straight down to the grass line, number 7. Number 8, we're going to start at the top at the skyline. We're going to do a little curve to the plane line and another curve back to the grass line, hit the grass line, and then go back up, cross over in the middle of the plane line, and then back up to the top. Number 8. Number 9, we're going to do a small curve from the skyline to the plane line, and you're going to round it up to the top here to the skyline, and you're going to go right back straight down to the grass line. Number 9. And last but not least, number 10, our straight line down. Number 1 is going to be skyline to grass line, and then back up to the top. The skyline is going to be, you're going to start at the skyline for your 0. A big curve down, touch the grass line, and big curve back up to the skyline. And that's your number 10. So we have some math worksheets that we're going to send home too. These you can obviously make them at home too because I did not have a printer either. So I drew my own, but you will get these attached, so if you can print them out, great. If not, you can make your own. So these just write the number of dots for each butterfly. So you'll count each dot and put the number in the box. And then this one is just a little bit of a story. It says, once upon a time, there were 3 beautiful butterflies flying through the air. They saw 2 friends sipping nectar from a flower and invited them to come play. How many friends were playing all together? So you can cut off the bottom, glue your butterflies in here, your 3 over here, and then the 2, and then you can write your equation here. So it would be 3 plus 2 equals, and you would count all the butterflies. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So that's another worksheet for you. On the theme of butterflies, we made some butterflies at home too, so you could do that. Some paint, you can fold them and then open them and make some pretty butterflies that way, or you could just color them. We love seeing your artwork. We're so glad, we're so happy for all the videos and the pictures that you've been sending us. So it's really nice to hear from you guys. So keep sending your work. We love to see it. The last thing I thought I would share is a addition storybook So at school we were going to do a class book with this. So each of you were going to create an addition story, and we were going to create a book with it. So I thought it might be fun for you to do with your siblings if you would like, or make your own. So I just made my own. I used spring as the theme. So I did rainbows on this page, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 rainbows plus 2 rainbows equals 6. So you guys can have fun making whatever kind of addition booklets that you would like, but just to practice your adding and your numbers, this one is 5 plus 4 butterflies equals 9. And some flowers, we did 6 flowers plus 4 flowers equals 10. We did some ice cream cones, 5 plus 3 equals 8. Some suns, 3 plus 2 equals 5. Trees, 2 plus 1 equals 3. And some raindrops. We have 3 plus 1 equals 4. So I hope you guys have a lot of fun doing that and just practicing your numbers and your math. And we miss you, and we hope to see you guys soon. Bye.